I've got this month's Fruit for Thought. So if you want to see what's in this month's box and what the theme is, it smells really good. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. I have the Fruit for Thought for March. Now, usually I open this with Chloe, but she's got a lot going on right now. And it's going to be all I can do to pull her into our Ipsy box and glam bag battles. So I wanted to get into this. She usually loves this up because there's usually something that's snackable in here. So this is a monthly fruit themed or food themed subscription, or a theme that incorporates food. It used to be just fruits, but she's kind of branched off and doing some other things and putting together some really fun boxes. I don't recall what Fruit Spa. I think this is Fruit Spa. Maybe that's next month. Maybe it's this month. This might be the, did I open the tea box? This might be the tea box. I don't know, we're about to find out. Afternoon tea. That is the theme of this box. And I know Chloe will be disappointed, but I will save her snacks. Don't worry, she'll get some snacks. So by Be So Sweet, we have some Linzier Heart cookies. This is a set of 2. They look to be raspberry or strawberry. She loves these types of cookies, so she'll be super excited. They're great with tea. By the Tea Spot, we have a pyramid sachet sampler with 5 individually wrapped teas. And this is their herbal tea sampler with organic ashwagandha chai, blood orange smoothie, organic peppermint, organic hibiscus cucumber, and organic turmeric tonic. All right, there we go. We have cucumber and green tea sugar scrub. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. That smells a lot like the Bath & Body Works cucumber melon. And there's some little sparkles on there. This is from Live the Gem collection. We have, what is this? Honey Sugar Bears. Ooh. They're not bears though. Oh, honey sugar hearts. There's honey and sugar cane, so you're just going to drop that in for some honey. These are by the Grateful Tea Company, and we did get 2, so 1 for each of us. We have some lemon poppy seed donut muffins. Oh wow, those sound great. And those are from the Be So Sweet Company. They look very sugary. All right, this was very well wrapped. This is a candle. You could have got it in either lemon pound cake or blueberry cobbler. I got the blueberry cobbler. These are by Be Original Treasures, and these are upcycled teacups. So they were teacups once before. They could be again if that's what you want to do with them, or make them planters when this is done. Whatever you want to do with it, just give them a nice thorough wash when you're done with it, and you can reuse this however you like. All right, so that is what I got in the afternoon tea box. That candle smells so amazing, guys. You don't even know, like the sweet blueberry scent. I love this box. This is great. I loved everything in here. Super excited to have some of the tea, use the scrub, use some of those honey hearts. I would probably cut it in half and have a share one, just because I don't know how sweet they're going to be. But yeah, we've got some little desserts to have with our tea. So we are going to really enjoy that this weekend. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.